Hello everyone, in this video I'll be filming the elevators at Orchard Towers. I actually went to the wrong area. This is actually the residential area and some guy tapped his card and I pressed 25 and then he had to tap it again. I didn't even realize this was the residential area. Without a card, the floors will be locked. So I'm stopping at 8 because there's security on the first floor. And this is where all these logos to be at. It's the old door tracks. And down here, there isn't any call button at all because this is a residential area. It looks a bit creepy, to be honest. Now we're heading to the public side of the lifts. Okay, so here's the other two lifts. These fixtures or Delta. Let's take this halfway down, 5. So that we can take the other elevator as well. There's slight 2-speed leveling, and here we are at the car park. I think these are KSS 300, 400. I'm not very sure about what fixtures are these. Oh, for this one, I think they replaced the inner door tracks. But this elevator shows that the original lift was from 1975 and was modded in 2006 by KONE. So let's go down to 1. Oh, let's take a look at the leveling. Slight 2-speed. But that's also pre-leveling as well. Now let's head to the other side. Here's where all the shops are. And more elevators. I think we just stick to 2 out of the 6 of them. Oh, the call marker. It's over here. As usual, they ripped out the old Otis logo. Let's go to 7. Whoa, that was a loud clang on the doors. Let's see the leveling. Slight 2-speed leveling. Hold on, they still go up. So the elevator I took only went up to 7. Oh, lift 1 is coming. Oh, 24. Yeah, I can go all the way to 24. That's a rather loud clang. All these are offices. I want to take another lift. Oh, it's lift 3. This is actually the old cab interior. They only modernized it, they didn't completely replace it. Let's go down to 1. Oh, it has that nice beeping sound. Speed leveling. I didn't even realize I stopped at the 4th floor. Let's hear the beeping sound again. Okay, I'm done. That is the end of the video. Have an awesome day, evening, or night. Goodbye, everyone.